Mayibuye is an organisation, a non-for-profit organisation that's aimed at empowering and encouraging young people in their communities and integrating the different multicultural aspects of that community.
About 8 months ago in South Africa, we now have projects in both Australia and South Africa. We're basically about empowering young people. We try to engage them with performing arts and dance and use that as a way to get them in a safe environment and try to give them opportunities they wouldn't otherwise have.
Hi, I'm Tina and I'm the youngest in the group. I'm 13 years old and I'm in year 7.
And then it's turn, and then the socks. And
Hi, I'm Nancy. I'm 17-year-old and I go to La Fala. I love dancing and I love singing and I'm just crazy about everything. Yeah. Hi, I'm Naima, Karen, Martha. I have 3 names. I like dancing. Everybody knows that. And I like rapping. So yeah, that's all I can say. I go to Dragon College. I'm 16-year-old. 17. Yeah, 17. I mean 17, yeah.
That David plays, I praise the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this, the 4th, the 5th, the minor 4th, the major lift, the beautiful king composing, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
I'm 17 and I'm in year 11, doing BCA. If you didn't notice, we're sisters. We both work at the milk bar. You take that. I should take that bit. I don't go to school anymore. We didn't say hi. Oh. Hi.
Your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream.
Kuma achikola life, maguma kama chuma, arakusika hell, arakusana taika, Australia calamities. Live your life as the fast lane, the roller coaster that brings all the bad pain. So sit close and get tired of some champagne. The neighborhood is called niggas, leave your blood stain.
Hi, my name is Lewis Apai and I'm from Sudan. I'm 19 years old. I've been living in Australia for 7 years. I joined hip hop 2 months ago and I really enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm Amelia. I'm 15. Keep going. Emily, you can't stop. Look, it's totally go. It's your go. You have to say your turn again. We have to start again.